Hey guys, it's Bruce over here with another video. My RC car toys. This is the Wltoys 124008. You can tell by the picture it's kind of being transformed a little bit, isn't it? Yeah. You know, you can see that racer style buggy thing really wasn't my thing. The little tiny wheels here, I guess they're not little, but you know, compared to these other wheels, yeah, they just made this car look real small, I thought. So I got some bigger tires, put on some extenders, gave it a little wider stance here, but that racer thing is still not so cool with me. So we're gonna pop that top off. Look at that little thing. And you'll see here how I'm going to upgrade this guy with magnets. I took off the wing back here and installed 2 magnets here. And then I created a little tower here, put some more magnets on. And then in the mail yesterday, we got this 12 scale body shell. Pre-painted, ready to go, slap on, even has some clear window there. So we're going to try this out with some magnets and see what happens. See back here, I don't know how this is going to hold up. I might have to just glue them onto the bottom, but look at those, they snapped in right to place. These guys too. They'll let you, help you line it up, as you can see here. Move that around, gonna line it up. Same thing with the back. Okay, there we go. What do you think? From a Wltoys racer to a Be Cool 4-wheel truck. I kind of like it. These tires are real soft. Not sure how long they're gonna last. They got so much grip. They're super soft. So we might be putting these wheels on there in the future. What do you think? Yeah, maybe those will look good on there. But for now, this is what we got. We're gonna let her rip and see what happens. Thought these magnets really turned out pretty good. And you just lift them up and come off. We'll see how they hold up. I have a feeling might not take much, right, to lose my magnets. But anyway, there you go. I think it's going to be really fun driving this around. Now I just got to get a little racer guy to stick his head in there, right? All right, take care. Any comments, just let me know. Appreciate the feedback. Bruce. Wltoys 124008 little racer car got transformed into the almost a monster truck. Nice, huh?